K-type thermocouple, and this one is the T-type thermocouple. And here we are in this port, we are already placed the J-type thermocouple. In this experiment, the connection is going to be made according to the color coding of the port. And this one is RTD. RTD means resistance thermal detector. Thermal detector. Here this thermocouple reading displays there. Another one is RTD displays there. Before another in this knob, J type, K type, and T type types are there for 3 thermocouples. When you are going to conduct which type of thermocouple experiment, we have to maintain that type of knob is going to be placed in the particular thermocouple port. Here in the we are going to conduct now the J type of experiment. In that J type, the temperature reading is up to 600 degrees Celsius. Here when we go for a K type, again change this K type. Again then the T type when we go for a T. Next here now we are going to making the experiment for J type. Then we put the experiment in this for J type. Next, the initial room temperature is now 26.4 degrees Celsius. In the both the port, 26.4 degrees Celsius is going to be displaying. Next, we are going to start an experiment. Here, this is the water collected with the and the heater is connected to the coil, heating coil. When you are going to switch on the coil, it starts. The water starts heating, and RTD and the thermocouple both are going to be placed in this. And automatically the temperature of RTD is going to be increases. Certainly this thermocouple reading is also starts increasing. Here the 33.33 is there. Another one here 28.7 is there. Difference is almost 5 degrees Celsius. Next we make the calibration. Just calibrate up to make nearer to this. Both are in the same. Now how much is going how the water is going to be heated, the temperature is also going to be rises. Both are in the same 37.7, 37.57. The RTD value is going to take a direct reading, hence it is going to be a faster rate. The temperature is going to be increases and it gives the direct reading. In thermocouple reading is a indirect reading. It takes slow reading, but both are in a gradually simultaneously going to be increases. After certain after 40 or 45, we are going to take a readings. This is the thermocouple tabular column. Actual temperature, first column it is going to shows actual temperature TA, that means RTD value, and the indicated thermocouple reading, second one is the thermocouple reading is going to be in the TI, and the error is going to be taken as TA minus of TI, and again the percentage error is going to be calculated by TA minus of TI divided by TA whole into 100. That gives the percentage error of. Wait for up to 45 or 50 degrees Celsius, because some amount of water is going to be heated. This see RTD value is 40 degrees Celsius. Again the 1 degrees, nearly 1 degrees difference. have to wait for a 50 degrees Celsius, then we start taking a reading between RTD and the thermocouple. After 50 degrees Celsius, you take starts reading, taking for a reading, then 5 degrees intervals of time we are going to take again the readings. In this, the heating coil, the water starts heating, the water bubbles are started. Step for 50 degrees Celsius, 45.3, again 5 intervals of time for 55, 60, 65. 55, 48.1. 60, 51.2. 65, 53.7. So on, we can take the readings, and certainly we can going to be, or we can switch off the heater coil. Again we can take during reverse order cooling time, we can take the decreasing temperature also. Here the difference Ta minus of Ta minus of Ti is going to be taken as error, that gives the error, and percentage error is going to be taken as Ta minus of Ti divided by Ta into 100, that gives the percentage error. And in the graph we are going to be mentioned or shown like a TA versus TI. That gives the variation in the temperature between thermocouple and RTD.